to 10, about 9.
Oh, really?
Yeah. You guys carrying me now,
Salman,
It's outstanding.
Salman, did you enjoy the reaction to the film?
The way the film is shot, the way the film is shot, you know, all the performances. Rani is superb. There is Sonam who's looking gorgeous. She's outstandingly beautiful. Ranbir has done such a fantastic job that I wish I had done something like this in Maine Pyar Kiya. And I'm there in the film. मेरा रोल शायद काटा है थोड़ा सा इन्होंने, लेकिन but whatever is there, it's very impactful. और क्या बोलूँ, I love the second half of the film. I think it's outstanding.
Salman, you've also said that like you've seen them so long, so what was it like just finally seeing them as two kids, you know, grow up?
I'm telling you, this guy is. अभी किसका गिरा ये?
Basically, all of you run for your money.
I hope he does because I want to run now.
What after Saawariya?
It's been too long.
Anybody?
Know and love him and just love this guy.
Finally, what about Sonam, who's had the biggest crush on you forever?
Sonam, I think now I have a crush on Sonam. I think she is looking super nice. Looks like she comes from a very. What after Saawariya? Another Saawariya.
चलो आप Salman.